I'm bleeding. I need to put this bandage on. Shut your mouth. Goes to the shop. There you are. You again. I got hurt because of you. Look. Oh, I got to. Because of you. Oh, yeah. Ha ha ha. Now you're too trapped. Looks like someone's mad with me. What happened with your voice? Oh, nothing. I'm just kidding about you. You see this? I'm gonna put it on your eyes. So you have no eyes. No, please don't. Then shut up. Give me your hat. I'm gonna pretend to be you. Mom, what's wrong with you? Thanks, sweetie, thanks. Please take me home. Of course not. I changed as your daughter. Ha ha ha. Oh shit. The police is on the way, ma'am. We're gonna get this killer right in the way. I'm just almost coming. Toot, toot, toot. Why did you call the police? I'm gonna run. Got you. You're the killer. I'm not the killer. Seriously. Okay, then go there. Phew, that was close. I need to run away. Ha ha ha.